was 2011, and my parents forced me to join the Art of Living program. And they said it will be beneficial for you, it will help you a lot. It is so amazing. So many people have shared really good experience. It will help you medically. I used to have severe migraine issue, and they sent me to the course. And the first day of the course, I started, it was a kids program. I started basically doing some exercises, doing some yoga, playing some games. And when the time came for the main technique, the Sudarshan Kriya, they said just breathe and don't worry, just breathe. And I rolled my eyes because, see, I'm breathing since so many years. Yeah, nothing happened. What will this 20, 30 minutes technique will do? It won't change anything. It's just a breath. But 30 minutes later, I cried, I laughed, I was overjoyed, was so happy, so relaxed. It changed my life completely. This 30 minutes process, the Sudarshan Kriya, it helped me to understand myself better. And that was 2011. And today, after like 14 years, 15 years, I'm still practicing Sudarshan Kriya, still doing it every single day with same enthusiasm, same energy, and every single day there's something new experience, something amazing which happens, which is very difficult to express in words. So, what happened in this 10, 14, 15 years was I didn't just get free from my severe migraine issue, but it helped me a lot in my communication. It helped me a lot in my confidence. I was not able to speak to a lot of people. When I used to speak in front of crowd on the mic in school assembly, I used to shiver a lot. Yeah, it was a very bad, dreadful experience for me every single time. But after the program, I started noticing when I was practicing Sudarshan Kriya every day, I started noticing that I'm more confident. Yeah? Then my perception improved, how I perceive things, how I perceive the difficult situations, stressful situations, so that I can manage them even more better, easily. A lot of things changed. And one of the most important thing which helped me a lot was clarity of mind. So while doing engineering, I was very passionate about computers. That's why I decided to go for the IT engineering. And just after 1 year of my engineering, I felt that okay, I love computers a lot, but not that much that I want to spend time coding. I had to do something else with the computer. Then that day I decided that okay, I want to go into digital marketing. And then for the next 3 years in the college itself, I worked hard on my digital marketing skills, and I was studying as well during the exams. I scored in the first class distinction in my engineering. I completed my engineering, but by the end of my engineering, I was already earning very well. Actually, I did my engineering on my own money for the 3 years, and it basically this practice, Sudarshan Kriya, meditation, yoga, it helped me improve my efficiency, productivity, my concentration level, and because of that, I was able to do two things: earn as well, yeah, support my career as well, at the same time study for the marks as well, which yeah, in a society we need good marks, yeah, that I passed the distinction. I never went to do the job because I was doing very well. And it's been 8 years now. It's going fantastic, really good. This course, the 4 day, 6 day course back then, it changed my life. It transformed my life and gave me a new perspective, gave me a new confidence, new clarity. Yeah. And I highly recommend to every single person who is watching this video that just go for it. Yeah, give yourself a chance, take that small risk to do this program, and just enroll yourself and be the part of it. Today I'm very happy and very proud that I decided to teach this program as well. I became teacher of the Art of Living in 2018, and I teach this program online as well, offline as well. So if you wish to join, you can organize one program offline, you can call me as well, or you can just join the next online batch which I am conducting. You can contact me from the link given in the description or the contact number given in the description, and just make sure that you try it out. Yeah, it's never too late, it's never too early. You, if you're watching this video right now, it's the perfect time for you to come and experience this beautiful technique called as Sudarshan Kriya. And I guarantee you that this will transform your life if you practice it daily. Yeah. So, as I usually tell that, some people ask me, hey, did you get enlightenment after doing this program? It's a spiritual program, right? I said, no, I didn't get enlightenment, but I did get that switch off my stress. I got that amazing, pleasant uh, mind, and I got unshakable smile, and that was just because of this beautiful Art of Living program. So come and experience this. Bye bye.